Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best compound miter saws that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. Also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the 10-inch compound miter saw. The Marv Tool JS10-17C3 weighs just 20.5 lb and fits neatly at 19.5 x 16.5 x 15 inches, so you're not sacrificing workspace for power. Its 15-amp motor delivers 5,000 RPM, handling wood, plastic, soft metal, and laminates cleanly. You get single bevel cuts from 0.45 degrees and left miter adjustments across the same range. The included 36-tooth TCT blade, 2 extension tables, transparent blade guard, vice clamp, and dust collection bag make it ready out of the box. At 20.5 lb with a release knob lock, you'll move it effortlessly between job sites. The 2-year warranty and 24/7 support back your investment. Moving on, at number 4, we have the WEN 12-inch dual-bevel sliding compound miter saw. If you're ready for a sliding upgrade that transforms how you tackle large boards, the WEN MM1213T delivers. Its 15-amp motor spins the 12-inch blade at 3,800 RPM, cross-cutting boards up to 13 inches wide and 4.1 inches thick. You'll get full plus 45-degree bevel and miter range, 5 positive miter stops, and compound capacity at 45 degrees both ways. The onboard laser keeps your cut line visible, while the dust port and bag manage debris. 2 adjustable fences, a quick clamp, and a carrying handle round out the package. A 2-year warranty backs your investment. At number 3, we have the DEWALT 12-inch double bevel sliding compound miter saw. Woodworkers needing professional-grade precision will find the DEWALT DWS780 hard to beat. Its 100W motor spins at 3,800 RPM, handling demanding cuts with ease. The XPS LED shadow light system projects your cut line directly onto the material, eliminating guesswork. You'll get dual bevel capability from 0.449 degrees left and right, plus a miter range of 60 degrees right and 50 degrees left. It cuts 2 out 16 lumber at 90 degrees and handles crown molding up to 1/2 inches. Dual steel rails with linear ball bearings guarantee smooth, accurate slides. At 58 pounds, it's impressively portable for a 12-inch professional saw. At number 2, we have the DEWALT 12-inch miter saw. When it comes to compound miter saws, the DEWALT DWS715 stands above the rest for serious woodworkers. Its 15-amp motor delivers 4,000 RPM, handling 2 8 lumber at 9 gator and 2 6 at 45 degrees with ease. You'll appreciate the 0 degree 48 left bevel range and 14 positive miter stops for repeatable, accurate cuts. The stainless steel miter detent plate and cam lock keep everything dialed in tight. At 42.77 lb with a built-in carry handle, you can move it between job sites without hassle. The included dust bag, vertical clamp, and wrench mean you're ready to cut right out of the box. And finally, at number 1, we have the NOVORIK 10A single bevel compound sliding miter saw. Precision-focused DIYers find that NOVORIK's laser guide outshines the competition for clean, accurate cuts. The 15A motor delivers 4,000 RPM, handling wood, plastic, and soft metal effortlessly. You get a full 45 degree to 145 degree miter range with positive stops at 5 key angles, plus a 0 degree 40 bevel range for compound cuts. The 10-inch 40-tooth TCT blade ensures smooth results every time. Safety features include a blade guard, dust extraction port, and clamping device. At 33.9 lbs, it's portable yet sturdy. Backed by a 2-year warranty, this saw gives you reliable performance without compromise. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.